What is up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. I know it's been a while, dealing with some serious personal issues that I will let you in on later, because it'll be affecting the channel somewhat, but not a whole lot. But enough about that. We got a good one today. As you saw in the title, that's why you clicked on it. Today we are reviewing, boom! Check that out, guys. The Uramex Air Javelin, wow! CO2 powered arrow gun. I wanted this for a while and finally decided to go ahead and do it. Especially now that I have the hunting property that I get to go hunting on all the time, and I can experiment with different things like this, and this is pretty cool, man. CO2 powered arrow gun, 300 plus feet per second. Operates off of these bad boys. These are the 90 gram, but it also operate off the 88 gram. And also there's an adapter you can buy where it will operate off of 2 of the 12 gram CO2 cartridges. Let's get it open. I've been putting it, I got it on Monday. Today's Saturday. I've been holding off until now. Woo! I'll tell you right now. I'm gonna get some hate mail on this one. I'm not a Star Wars fan. I don't care for it. But man, I tell you what, if I don't look like a stormtrooper, this thing is pretty damn cool, guys. Look at this. Adjustable stock, just like your AR. Got your rails up here for scopes, lasers, sights, whatever. Little button right here. Push that button. That your foregrip removes, and this is where your CO2 goes in. Put it on, you're good to go. Wait, there's no charging handle. Let me get it. I'm just playing with you. It comes with all the necessary hardware. It comes with sights, comes with charging handle. Now, it does not come with no fancy lasers or anything like that. Now, the one thing that is pretty cool about this, it's ambidextrous. It's left-handed or right-handed. You can put your charging handle here or there or here, however you want to do it. I'm shooting like this. To me, it's easier just to do that right there. But that's just me. You just stick that in there a little bit to where you pull it back to where you can screw it in good. Then you screw it in good. Screw it all the way in. Boom. You're ready to go on that. Alright, what kind of sights does it come with? Basic front and rear sights, guys. Basic. I'm probably going to put just a little, probably like a little cheap crossbow scope on here, because this is not a 100-yard arrow rifle. All the videos I've watched on this thing, the prime distance is right at 30 yards. As you know with CO2, the more you shoot, the faster your CO2 runs out, the weaker it gets. It just goes on there like that, and then it comes with an Allen wrench. That's front sight. But the faster you shoot, the more you shoot, the weaker you're going to be. Your shots will be. So, tell me I got to put that on and bring it all the way down. I guess I think sure do. Oh, I gotta take that out. That's what happens when you try to do this stuff and talk at the same time, and it is what it is. It ain't no big deal. We're gonna make it happen, guys. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Like I said, this is not easy to do while talking and trying to explain what's going on. I mean, you are smart people. I am so sure you know how to put a sight on. If you don't, read the directions or watch YouTube. Okay, that sight's on. That sight is back on. Yeah, we're gonna have to lock that one down. All right, there I think will be sufficient. Just give me a second. You'll see the finished product. But this thing is pretty nice, guys. I haven't shot it yet. I just went and got my CO2 today. It does come with its own arrows, bolts, whatever you want to call them. They say they are specially designed for the Uramex. But I did see a hack from another YouTuber where he made them out of regular crossbow bolts. So let's pull these bad boys out and show you what we got here. Here we are. 14.5 inch with field tip on it. There is no knock. There's no knock on here. I'm going to show you why. You see this right here? Your arrow will actually slide right over top of that. It goes in there and locks in place. CO2 air pushes the arrow out. And just like that, put our CO2 in. We're ready to shoot. Hope you enjoyed this unbox. What? Yeah, I guess we'll shoot it. Give me a minute. Let me get set up. Okay. What we're going to do here, cut this annoying thing off. What we're going to do is install the CO2. I already took the foregrip off. Take your CO2, goes right down in there. Just screw it in. And as you know with CO2, once you get a little snug like that, you want to nice and fast so you don't leak anything out. We're ready. Now we're ready. Let's put our arrow on. Locks in place. Never charge it before you put your arrow in. Never do that. Put your arrow in, make sure you're ready to shoot. Charge your weapon. Now you're ready to shoot. Does have a safety right here. That's fire, that's safety. I'm gonna take you outside. Got my 3D buck target hooked up. We're gonna see what happens. All right, we're outside. I got my target set up. I'm only gonna walk off about 10 yards because I haven't shot this thing and I don't know how it's gonna shoot. I don't want to shoot my neighbor. So There's our target. Not bad. Not bad at all. 10-yard shot. Hold on. Walked it off 10 yards. First shot. There we go. All right, let me get you back inside. Oh boy, I tell you what, it rained all day yesterday. It is hot and humid as hell today. Anyway, that's how much our arrow went in at about 10 yards. The way it shot, I could probably walk off to 20 yards and be just as good, but like I said, I'm in my backyard. I don't want to miss and kill my neighbor. Don't even know him. This thing's fun to shoot. It is a little bit loud here in the confinements of my backyard, just a loud pop. It will take down small game for sure. I did see a video where the Air Javelin Pro, which is the chargeable, the one that you charge the air, PCP, or I don't know, the chargeable one, Pro. I saw a man take down a deer with one. I am sure this one will take down the deer. Put a good broad head on there, get it sighted in perfect, 30 yards. I don't see a problem with it. You will see this very soon in a future video where we're going to take down a pig. That one's going to be fun. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Run out and get you one. It's not charged. Run out and get you one. Not that expensive. Right at $150. I got it off of Amazon. Like I said, it comes with 3 arrows, with field tips, with the sights. Does not come with CO2. I've seen a lot of reviews on this thing where people were bitching and crying because, oh, it didn't come with CO2, and it says in the description that it does not come with CO2. To me, this is well worth it. This is something you can add to your arsenal. Different ways of taking game. Check your hunting regulations. Make sure you can take game with this. I hunt on private property, so I will be able to hunt. I have my own property that I hunt on, so I will be able to use this. And I can't wait to get out and use this. Definitely, like I said, I'm definitely looking for a scope to put on here. I'm going to put a little crossbow scope or something like that, you know, just short range, 30 yards. And can't wait to get out and have some fun with this, guys. Be safe. I'm rambling on and I'm forgetting everything. Do me a favor. Go ahead, hit that like button. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. Hit the notification button so you're made aware when my hunting video drops. Check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. Download, share, all the good stuff that you like to do. Now be safe. God bless. Get outside, people. I'm going inside. It's hot.